There's a she-wolf in the closet. Open up and set her free. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Let it out so it can breathe. Good morning, everybody. Well, I had a really good cry, and I'm feeling refreshed and so much more open and expansive. And I was remembering the other song that I heard in the store yesterday, and it was The She-Wolf by Shakira. And maybe a lot of women have this archetype within them, a she-wolf that is wild and yet powerful, untamed, uninhibited, and I guess that's the part of me that I'm setting free as well. Being able to express myself freely and just say whatever is on my mind. It's a very freeing thing. And yeah, I think feeling our feelings like children for me, it feels so important just to be able to laugh freely, cry freely, dance freely. And it's all an expression. And these feelings are not who I am. They're just merely energies that are just passing through. And when I remember that truth, there's so much freedom in that. And I remember that the most important things right now for me are simply loving myself and trusting myself, trusting that I'm doing all the right things that I need to do, that I'm healing my heart, that I'm on my journey, and that I'm on this path to greater abundance, ease, and joy every day with greater vitality and vibrancy, greater energy and stamina, and greater openness and expansiveness in my heart. And perhaps it is a kind of a lifelong journey. And there's so much joy. There's so much joy in the world. Like, life is so beautiful. And I want to shout like, yay! I'm alive! I love my life. I love my life. I love my work. I love my family. I love all my friends. I want to say a huge thank you to all my family and friends for just being who they are and for being wonderful beings that you are. Thank you, and love today. Love every minute of it. Love every minute of it. Have a awesome, amazing day.